AIRMATE Air Circulator Fan with 10 speeds, 120 degrees oscillating table fan with remote, 12 inches desk fan with DC powerful airflow, silent vortex fan 30 decibels noise, portable desktop cold air fan for bedroom, home, whole room, black at 11.5 tall. This small desk fan is the perfect size to place on your desk or nightstand, and it's sleek. TriPole 12 inches standing fan oscillating pedestal fan, rechargeable battery operated fan quiet height adjustable floor fan with remote timer, fold away portable fan for bedroom home travel, 531H working. The diameter for our pedestal fan is 11.8 inch/30 centimeters, the folded height measures 6.3 inch/16 centimeters. With a sturdy telescopic rod, the fan's height can be extended from 1.7 feet to 3.5 feet measuring from base to top. If you need a standing fan but worry about the storage space, this fold-away portable fan is your better choice. Vornado XO5 heavy-duty shop air circulator fan with high-impact housing, collapsible tripod base, clamp attachment. Optimum performance, the XO5 is the ultimate worksite sidekick. The nearly indestructible body is built to last, and the rugged, grab-and-go handle won't slow you down. Versatile, enjoy the flexibility to stand, hang, or clamp the XO5 almost anywhere so that you can keep your cool when the conditions get tough. A powerful, 360-degree pivoting head allows you to direct the airflow where you need it. Modern silhouette will complement any home or office decor. At 11.5 tall, this small desk fan is the perfect size to place on your desk or nightstand, and it's sleek,